and today we're going to be talking about post-install services and warranties. Here are some things that you should know when looking for a contractor to do work for you. In our industry, unfortunately, there's a lot of unsavory characters who all they care about is just getting the job done as quickly as possible and never attending to the customer after the job is complete. At Dream Home, we do things a little differently. We make sure that we're there before, during, and after your install, which is the most important aspect. A lot of companies would like to do the work, and if you have an issue after the install, there's usually a big lull time of them coming back to address the issue, and at that point you might have forgotten about it, and they're definitely not going to reach out to you to remind you. Here at Dream Home, we make sure that not only is the job complete, but it's done to our satisfaction and standards. We have post-install inspections done after the work is complete to make sure that everything was done to our standard and that you're happy with all the work that we've done, especially the details. A lot of homeowners will look at a job once it's done and they think it's okay, and a week or two later they start noticing the little details and they usually call us back, and we're more than happy to come back out to address any of these issues that they have noticed. It's very minimum that it happens, but it happens because these are, after all, humans make mistakes, and humans are the ones that are working at the house. Another thing that you should always look out for is warranties. A lot of companies don't offer warranties or very minimal warranty as best as they can to not come back to help service any issues that you have in the future. For us, we like to service any job after the work is complete for the lifetime that you own the home. The warranty is also transferable, so after you sell the home, that next homeowner can take advantage of our services, and we'll treat them as if they're the original customer we did the work for. Make sure you read the terms and conditions of that warranty that they're providing you and ask questions. See if it covers the labor, see if it covers the material, the duration of when you own the home, is it transferable? All these things will take into effect after the job is done, which is the most important thing that you should consider, because anybody can do a job, but what happens when there's an issue after the job is complete? Here at Dream Home, we honor the warranty for a lifetime, and it's also transferable to a next homeowner if you do decide to sell your property. And that should be something that you look for in any contractor that you decide to hire for any type of work at your home. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home improvement content just like this. Thank you for watching.